Hello friends, it's me Dr. Sidharth Arora. Friends, I must tell you something very, very important. This is the last month, my friends, the absolute last month before the annual price hike of Unacademy is coming your way. अगर आज तुमने ये फैसला नहीं किया, you are not only going to lose the most important decision-making time of your life, also you're going to make a financial mistake. So now that at Unacademy तुम्हें इतना solid offer आया है, don't miss this opportunity. Take this optional combo, get the best price possible. Use my code SIDLIVE, SIDLIVE. SIDLIVE मेरा code है. This is the largest team on Unacademy ever made. Make the best decision of your life. You're a wise gang of students. Take a wise decision now. एक और important बात. इसी वीडियो में एक लिंक दिया गया है of a Google form. Fill that form with your details and give your consent. बहुत सारे हमारे aspirant friends are not able to join Team SIDLIVE, not able to join Unacademy because of the problems of understanding the technicalities. Never mind. One person from our team at Unacademy will contact you. आप consent दीजिए, they will call you up, they will help you join Unacademy at the best course possible. Only use the code SIDLIVE, SIDLIVE, and you will get this huge opportunity. Loan चाहिए? Possible. Subscription prices at a reasonable price? Possible. All the things are possible under one roof this month. In the words of Unacademy, let's crack it. Until next time, God bless, thank you, and Jai Hind.